Hey everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how to convert PS1 controller to USB. So we need a certain adapter that is actually available from Amazon to buy in order to perform this operation. So basically what this adapter does, you are basically effectively converting your PS2 controller into a PS3 controller. Also this of course works for PS1 controller because the actual adapter supports both controllers. They have the same wire, the same in and the same shape. So you're basically buying this, taking your controller, inserting its in into this part right over here, this part, and the out, this USB wire, you're just inserting into your computer and thus converting it into the USB. And if you are looking to actually having this controller to work in your Windows operating system, if you want to play games on it, we have a different tutorial on how to do that. If you want to know how to perform that, you should watch those videos. They are uploaded on our channel. And this is basically it, guys. Make sure to pick up this adapter and make it work. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.